Hello, and welcome to Employee Attendance Management, alias EAM video tutorials. This tutorial describes how to set up your company's yearly vacation period, and whether vacation days are accrued on a monthly basis or not. Using the Global Administrator user account, the one who registered for the EAM service, select Global Settings on the left menu bar. Then proceed to select the Vacation Fiscal Settings feature option. The default settings when you registered for the EAM service is set to January as the fiscal start month, and December as the fiscal end month. To change the fiscal start month, simply select the Fiscal Start Month drop list, and select the appropriate month. To change the fiscal end month, simply select the Fiscal End Month drop list, and select the appropriate month. Accrued is also checked by default when you registered for the EAM service. When accrued is checked, it indicates that the allocated vacation days to an employee for the vacation fiscal period is accrued on a monthly basis. For example, if an employee has 10 vacation days or 2 weeks allocated to him or her for the vacation fiscal period, then 0.83 day per month will be accrued. Change these settings as required by your organization. Then click the Save button. And that's it for this tutorial. Goodbye for now.